A very good afternoon to our honorable dignitaries, respected principal ma'am, dear parents, my dear colleagues, and dearest students. Bharat is one land that all humans desire to see, and having seen once by even a glimpse, would not give that glimpse for all the shores of all the globe put together. Today, we at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir Ashti have strived to bring that one glimpse of incredible India to you under this canopy. And I'm sure all of us have been reassured that there is no such land as Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat. I stand here before you to declare the winner of the inter-house competition under the category of Char Dham Parikrama. But before I call out the winners, let us remind each other of the fact that sometimes there are no winners and sometimes nobody needs to lose. And one such day is today that none of the participants who have performed on this stage actually need to lose. But nevertheless, since this is a competition, I'm standing here before you with the result of Char Dham Parikrama. From the spiritual divinity of Badrinath to the peaceful realms of Rameshwaram, from the eternal echo of Jai Jagannath to the holy chants of Dwarkadhish, we have come a long way today, taking the Char Dham Parikrama to the next level. And dear students who wait with bated breath for me to declare the result under this category, do you have any guesses, children?
Are you ready?
All right then. I think you all are sitting too far away for me to hear out the guesses here. Let me begin. Once more, I would like to remind you, all of you have done a splendid job on the stage, and let us all put together our hands and give them a thunderous applause for a very, very outstanding performance today. Consolation prize under the category of Char Dham Parikrama is backed by Lily House for Dwarkadhish. Lily House, congratulations for a wonderful performance. Better luck next time. You have garnered a total number of 122 points. Next in line, bagging the third prize under the category of Char Dham Parikrama stands, any guesses, students? Yes, where are you? Please wave. Where are our students? Okay. The third prize goes to Jagannath by Jasmine House. Heartiest congratulations. Jasmine House, you've done a splendid job. Congratulations to the house warden, associate warden, and the teachers in charge. Moving on to second prize under the category. Yes, we are. Second prize backed by Rameshwaram by Daffodil House. May we have a huge round of applause for Daffodil House. Where are the yellows here? Heartiest congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. And the first prize winner under the category of Char Dham Parikrama is, we've all guessed it so far, it's Lotus House for Badrinath. May we have the participants here, please? And the warden, associate warden, heartiest congratulations. Lotus House, yes, we've already started bleeding blue today.
शुक्लाम्बराधरा विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नं
House warden, associate warden and the teachers in charge, kindly come up.
यहाँ ब्रह्म कपाली पर पिंडदान किया जाता है।
Yes, dear audience, please put your hands together for the winners of the first category under Char Dham Parikrama. It's blue all the way, Lotus House. Heartiest congratulations, everyone.
बद्री नारायण नारायण हरि हरि तेरी लीला सबसे न्यारी न्यारी हरि तेरी महिमा तेरी महिमा
Once again, many congratulations. And students, we will be back after a while with the rest of the results. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to the winners. I request everyone to please be seated on their seats. Now, an announcement for the students. Please collect your speed boxes from your respective item in charges. Now, we are honored to present to you a musical journey across the vibrant states of India. Bharat एक अनोखा राग है. The theme of our concert is Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Through the universal language of music, we aim to celebrate the rich cultural tapestry of our nation. We will be taking you on a musical tour of 4 states that showcases the diversity of India, the energetic Punjab, the vibrant Gujarat, the culturally rich Maharashtra, and the soulful Tamil Nadu. Sit back and relax as we take you on this mesmerizing journey. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Jai Maharashtra. Now let's explore the heart of India, Maharashtra. Maharashtra has a rich musical tradition influenced by various cultures. Before orchestra, parents, there is a QR code outside. Kindly give your feedback on it.
They have brought their talents to this stage. With every story, they have turned a page. So cheer them loud, let the joy unfold. For each brave heart, both young and bold. Around this hall, let the echoes soar. For the talents we have all come to adore. With every clap, you show your pride. Let's make this moment a joyful tide.
Hello. Dear audience, lend us your cheer for these stars who have performed here. With hearts so bold and dreams so high, they have lit the stage, reached for the sky. Your applause is the magic they need, a spark of joy for every deed. So let your claps and cheers unfold to honor these gems so brave, so bold. Hello.
Raise your hands, let the sound rise. For these stars who have touched the skies. Each step they have taken, every move so fine, deserves a cheer. Let your spirit shine.
They have danced, they have sung, and made us smile. Walk the stage with grace and style. Now it's your turn to make it grand. Clap and cheer, let's all take a stand.
From dreams to action, they have given their best. Now's the time to honor their quest. Let your applause roll loud and true for every heart, for every hue. Once again, I would like to repeat,
Students, kindly collect your sweet boxes from your respective in-charge teachers.
Dear audience, as you witness the program, we are very happy to tell you that throughout the program, the voiceover was given by our students, our teachers, and our most respected principal, ma'am. A huge round of applause for the efforts that were put in but could not be seen in front on the stage. A huge round of applause whose hard work went behind the stage.
Now, let's explore the heart of India, Maharashtra. Maharashtra has a rich musical tradition influenced by various cultures. The music is known for its classical elements and folk influences.
पर बाणवसु वम्ब पर रावण संदंब पर रघुकुल राज है पर संपुरति नाह पर जो सहस्त्र बाह पर राम विजराज है संतास रक्षितो शत्रूने खंडतो भावंड भावना संस्थापितो ऐसा युगे युगे स्मरणीय सर्वदा माता पिता सखा शिवभूपतो शिवाजी जय भवानी महाराष्ट्र माझा कर्जा
Each one of you shone like a star today. Your performance was a perfect blend of skill, dedication, and creativity. Bravo was such an inspiring art. Please give a huge round of applause for Lotus House. Gujarat is renowned for its folk music, especially the Garba and Dandiya. The music is characterized by its fast tempo and energetic rhythms. This piece will transport you to the vibrant festivals of Gujarat.
Your applause is the sweetest sound for those who have made us all spellbound. So clap your hands and cheer with glee for these stars who have set their spirits free. They have danced, they have acted, they have sung with might. Now it's your turn to make their night. With every cheer, you lift them high. So let's applaud and touch the sky. On this stage, their dreams take flight. They have shared with us their joy, their light. Let's give them the love they truly deserve, with cheers that echo, bold and preserved. Let's make this hall a thunderous roar for those who have dazzled, inspired, and more. Applaud their hearts, their fearless strive. They have brought their talents to the stage. With every story, they have turned a page. So cheer them loud, let the joy unfold. For each brave heart, both young and bold.
Gujarat's culture is a blend of tradition and modernity with a rich history and a variety of festivals, art forms, and rituals. Gujarat is known for its contribution to music, including the ragas Kambavati, Gujarati Todi, Bhilavi, Sorathi, Lati, and Ahiri. Gujarat has a wide variety of folk music, including devotional songs, songs for traditional dances, and music performances. Gujarat has contributed to classical music with ragas like Bhilwal, Sorathi, Ahiri, and Lati. Bhajans and Haveli Sangeet are examples of religious music in Gujarat, which also are honey to our ears. Gujarat has produced its own folk instruments, including wind instruments, string instruments, and percussion instruments. Some examples include the pavo, shehanai, murli, turi, taturi, and bungai. Among the folk music, duha, soratha, chan, belats, etc. are traditionally performed, especially in Saurashtra, Gujarat.
राम कुंकू लाल चुंदड़ी लाल नैन लाल तेज कुंज कराल काल गरज न्याल गरज न्याल गरज न्याल
रुक जाओ वैसे ही. What an amazing performance. It truly reflected the colors and rhythms of Gujarat. Now, our musical journey will take you to the land of five rivers, Punjab, known for its bhangra beats and soulful music. Hello. Punjab has a unique musical heritage. You will witness our students capture the essence of Punjab's vibrant culture and its people's zest for life. Punjabi music is a rich and vibrant tradition that reflects the culture, history, and emotions of the Punjab region of India. A traditional style that uses instruments like the tumba, algoza, dhad, sarangi, and chimta. Folk music is used for many life events, including weddings, festivals, and religious ceremonies. It's often communal in authorship. The music of Punjab is associated with various gods and goddesses who are often depicted with specific instruments. For example, Shiva is associated with the damru, Vishnu with the shankh, Krishna with the flute, and Saraswati with the veena.
The four main divisions of Punjabi music are Sufiyana Kalam, Qawwali, Gurmat Sangeet and Bhakti Sangeet. The Punjabi diaspora invented the Bhangra genre of modern Punjabi music in Britain. Punjabi music has also gone global, with artists like Diljit Dosanjh having millions of views on YouTube. The tradition of Punjab music dates back thousands of years to the Vedic period. It has been influenced by many cultures and invaders, including the Mughals and the British, but has retained its distinctive appeal.
Punjabi folk music is associated with a traditional lifestyle and culture. Many of the themes associated with the songs of today, which are mostly relevant in Bhangra songs, involve the promotion of the ills of Punjabi society, such as the caste system and substance abuse, as well as superstitious beliefs. Bhangra is actually music and dance form that originated from Punjab in India. It started in the villages of Punjab when Punjabi farmers danced celebrating Vaisakhi or the harvest festival. Just a popular dance form in Punjab and Assam in the beginning, now is a worldwide popular song. The reason for Punjabi music's immense popularity is its music, beats and composition. It is these aspects that make people groove to these songs despite not partially or completely understanding the lyrics. The song as a whole is perfect to vibe with.
We have found a lost bag. Anyone who has lost their bag, please collect it from the backstage. The bag is displayed here. Anyone who has lost their bag, please collect it from the backstage.
Punjab has folk songs on birth, marriage, funeral, death, separation, beauty, and economical status. Punjabi folk music is associated with a traditional lifestyle and culture. Many of the themes associated with the songs of today, which are mostly relevant in Bhangra songs, involve the promotion of the ills of Punjabi society.
Punjab folk music is highly rhythmic and very diverse. The western region is the home of styles like Dhula, Maiya, while the popular Boli style is performed differently across the region. The vocals are another integral part of the Punjab music, as are instruments such as the dhol, tumbi, dhad, saran and iktara.
लटेरी चादर उससे सलेटी रंग माहिया आओ सामने कोलो दिरस के ना रंग माहिया लटेरी चादर उससे सलेटी रंग माहिया आओ सामने कोलो दिरस के ना रंग माहिया
This wasn't just a performance, it was a celebration of talent and perseverance. Your hard work has paid off, and you have left us all inspired. Moving on, let's travel to another corner of India, Tamil Nadu, as it comes alive through its dance and music.
Pan, which is a classical music form of southern India, has a long history in Tamil Nadu. Later, the name was mistakenly changed as Carnatic music. Even today, Panisahi is sung in temple festivals. Tamil Nadu has produced a number of famous performers as well as a closely related classical dance from Bharatnatyam. Chennai hosts a large cultural event, the annual Madras Music Season, which includes performances by hundreds of artists. There are 72 basic scales on the octave and a rich variety of melodic motion. Both melodic and rhythmic structures are varied and compelling. This is one of the world's oldest and richest musical traditions. Songs have been composed by great artists and handed down through generations of disciples.
Our musical journey will now transport you to the southern state of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is famous for its Carnatic music and folk songs. This music is characterized by its intricate melodies and soulful lyrics. Our friends will take you on a spiritual journey through soulful melodies of Tamil Nadu.
Folk singing remains popular, especially in rural areas. Elements of the traditional styles are sometimes used in film music. There are contemporary enthusiasts like Vijay Lakshmi and Naveen Tarakshan and Pusham Vanampam, who have worked to revive popular interest in the folk music of Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu's music and dance is a rich reflection of region's ancient art and culture. The classical music form of Tamil Nadu is called Pan, which is now also known as Carnatic music. Pannasi is still sung in the temple festivals today. Tamil folk music is rural music composed by
The rural hill tribes of Tamil Nadu each have their own folk traditions. The Puliyar, for example, perform melodies called talams, which are said to come from the cooing of birds. Each talam is named after a deity, including Kunahada Talam and Mangalanda Talam and Karanganchi Talam.
Some popular instruments of Tamil Nadu include thalam, thalvi, udakai, veena, vilai, and veenkural. Tamil Nadu has a variety of dance forms including Bharatnatyam, Kavadatyam, and Kummi.
The ancient Tamil music is the historical predecessor of Carnatic music during the Sangam period spanning from 500 BCE to 200 CE. Many poems of the classical Sangam literature were set to music. There are various references to this ancient musical tradition found in the ancient Sangam books such as Yutukai or Pattu Pattu. The early narrative poem belonging to the post-Sangam period, 5th to 6th century, also mentions various forms of music practiced by the Tamil people. Music was an integral part of compositions of Tamil Saiva saints such as Apar during the Hindu revival period between 6th and 10th century.
Folk singing remains popular especially in rural areas. Elements of the traditional styles are sometimes used in film music.
With this, please welcome the Daffodil House.
Our friends will take you on a spiritual journey through soulful melodies of Tamil Nadu.
Tamila, Tamila, Nalai,
What a fantastic performance by the student of Daffodil House. Please give them a huge round of applause.
A very good afternoon, respected judges, respected TL Raja sir, respected principal ma'am, dear parents and my dear students. So I'm back once again. Dear students, are you ready for the next phase of the prize distribution? Yes or no? All right then. The next category of events is the war cry of regiments. Do we have the participants of the regiments here? Yes, all the houses, can we have? So the war cry of regiments, we have seen some brilliant performances here depicting the Gorkha, the Sikh, the Maratha and the Rajputana regiments. And I must say, we are filled with a sense of pride and valor after seeing these performances. So let me begin with the consolation prize. I hope all the wardens are here. Yes, the wardens. Can I hear it from you, please? Yes.
Are you ready?
So yes, we are. The consolation prize under the category of regiments goes to Lotus House performing for the Maratha Regiment. Congratulations, Lotus House. Better luck next time. We move on to the third prize. And the third prize under the category of war cry of regiments goes to Lily House for Rajputana Regiment. Lily House, where are you? Yes, students. Can we hear a round of applause for them? Heartiest congratulations, everyone. The second prize. Any guesses? Second prize. Do I hear Daffodil? Yes, it is. Second prize goes to Daffodil House for the Sikh Regiment. And needless to say, needless to disclose or declare, the first prize for War Cry of Regiments goes to Jasmine House for Gorkha Regiment. Please move in front. The participants, House Warden, Associate Warden and the teachers in charge, please.
कहते हैं कि गोरखा जब हथियार उठा लेता है तो दुश्मन बिना युद्ध किए ही उसके आगे नतमस्तक हो जाता है।
Many congratulations.
तभी तो कभी भारत के सेना अध्यक्ष रहे।
रातो झंडा फरफराएर आयो गोर्खाली, इतिहास अर्को रचनालाई आयो गोर्खाली, दुश्मनलाई रेट्नलाई आयो गोर्खाली, देश सीमाना मिच्नेहरू आयो गोर्खाली, खबरदार भन्देको छु आयो गोर्खाली, एक पाइला सारी देखा आयो गोर्खाली, टुक्रा टुक्रा पारिदिन्छु आयो गोर्खाली, आयो गोर्खाली, आयो गोर्खाली, आयो गोर्खाली।
And this many congratulations, Jasmine House, and I'll be back for more children. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to the winners. Now welcome back to the stage. As we continue our cultural extravaganza, we are about to witness a truly inspiring performance. Yes, indeed. Our next act is a heartfelt tribute to a man who has touched the lives of millions, a visionary who has shaped the destiny of our nation, a man who embodies humility, compassion, and relentless pursuit of excellence. We present to you a special performance dedicated to the legendary industrialist, philanthropist, and the epitome of grace, Ratan Tata.
Get ready to be moved and inspired as our talented performers take the stage.
In the world where success is often measured by wealth and power, Ratan Tata, the son of India, stands as a beacon of humility, resilience, and integrity. More than just a businessman, he is a visionary who dared to dream big yet remained grounded. He joined Tata Steel in Jamshedpur as a floor worker. As he rightly says, if you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. This hands-on experience taught him the value of teamwork and humility.
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुनू है किसी में कहा। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां।
Taking over from J.R.D. Tata, Ratanji faced criticism and doubt, but held his vision firm, proving that a person who is quietly confident makes the best leader. Many senior leaders resisted his ideas, questioning his leadership. Yet, Ratanji stayed focused, eventually winning their trust with results, showing that success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. He guided Tata into global markets, modernizing the company for a competitive world.
तपते थे रसते लोहे से बसते, बसतों में तू भर चला आसमां। आएंगी सदियां, जाएंगी सदियां, रह जाएंगे फिर भी तेरे निशान। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां।
With a vision to make cars affordable for the middle class, he launched the Tata Nano, the people's car. Though it ultimately did not succeed, Ratanji saw it as a lesson, saying, "I don't believe in taking right decisions. I take decisions and make them right."
थोड़ी बारिश हो गई तो आसमां धुल गया, बादलों के बीच कोई रास्ता खुल गया। रोने से कभी डरना तू नहीं, गुनगुना जो तेरा गीत है। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है।
once scoffed at Tata's car business, yet Ratanji later acquired Jaguar and Land Rover from them, a proud moment of poetic justice. In bringing Air India back to Tata, Ratanji completed a full circle, combining business acumen with patriotism. He dedicated this move to India's pride. This move embodied his belief that take the stones people throw at you and use them to build a monument.
रुक जा रे बंदेया, ये रात जरा सी है, बात समझ बंदेया, कुछ देर ही बाकी है। रख यकीन आँखों से बादल आज हट जाएगा, चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदेया चल के आएगा।
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर हो, कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फैसला, तुझे वक्त बदलना है।
करना तो बंदेया, रुकना तो बंदेया, राह पे चल बंदेया। करना तो बंदेया, रुकना तो बंदेया, राह पे चल बंदेया।
Following the 26/11 terrorist attack on Taj Hotel, Ratanji ensured all employees received their salaries during the hotel's closure. His empathy demonstrates that he valued the goodness in human beings above everything else. Ratanji is known for his enormous philanthropy and immense compassion. Everyone is aware of his large-heartedness and generosity during the COVID-19 pandemic. He donated 65% of Tata's Group's profit to social causes, funding education, healthcare, and rural development across India. His generosity and commitment to uplifting others reflect a rare kind of leadership.
सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले है अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही।
Ratan Tata's journey is a tale of vision, determination, perseverance, and unwavering integrity. He faced challenges, criticism, and even failures, but he always rose above, defining what it means to be a true son of India. His legacy will continue to inspire future generations to pursue excellence, integrity, and service to society. His life reminds us that greatness is achieved not by what we gain, but by how much we give back. He has shown us that true leadership isn't just about profits, it's about purpose, a rare blend of philanthropy, courage, kindness, and patriotism. He is indeed a son of India. Our heartfelt tribute to you, dear Ratanji Tata.
साथी ना कारवा है, ये तेरा इम्तिहां है। साथी ना कारवा है, ये तेरा इम्तिहां है। यूं ही चला चल दिल के सहारे, करती है मंजिल तुझको इशारे। देख कहीं कोई रोक नहीं ले, तुझको पुकार के ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के।
जय जय जय। You heard the voiceover of our esteemed principal, Srimati Vandana B. Sen, whose words truly reflect our admiration and respect for this remarkable icon.
Vehicles number MH31EK4932 and MH35P7209 are parked in Manav Mandir. Please remove them. I repeat, MH31EK4932 and MH35P7209 are parked in Manav Mandir. Kindly remove them. Thank you.
Now, the culmination of our vibrant cultural week, Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat, has arrived. We are honored to invite our esteemed panel of judges along with respected Principal Ma'am to grace the stage and declare the much awaited results.
I request Hiba Ma'am to kindly declare the results.
A very good afternoon to everyone yet again. So dear students, kindly be seated. I'm back with the results. Students at the back who are trying to move out of the Shamiana, I request you to kindly take your seats. It's the time, it's the moment of truth for all of us. Kindly remain seated. With this amazing showstopper that we have witnessed today, yet this show refuses to stop. No matter how much we want it to go on, as all good things come to an end, this show must also reach its culmination. And the culmination of the show also calls for a celebration for all the hard work of the students who have breathed soul into every performance stage today. Let us hear a thunderous round of applause for each one of them. Celebration for all the teachers under the able guidance of respected Principal Ma'am, who have dedicated themselves to the success of this extravaganza. May we have a huge round of applause for dear Principal Ma'am and all of us. Celebration for all parents who rejoice in the glory of their children's performances. Congratulations to all of you as well. And celebration to the tireless efforts of the dance, music and art department who have proved their mettle yet again. May we have a thunderous round of applause for Madhumita ma'am, Tumpa ma'am, Jayashri Chanekar ma'am, Shruti ma'am, Jawahar sir, Harshal sir, Tushar sir, Ganesh Nanotkar sir and Manoj Meshram sir. Thank you so much for all your contributions. Now, children, we come to the prize distribution, to the declaration of result as such, for the third category, that is, what do you want me to take up first? Okay, I heard it right, the dance drama then. The tales of historic forts categorized as dance drama. And we have seen tales of valor, bravery under historic realms. We've had chapters of history being taught to us with experiential learning put together on the stage today. And I'll begin with the consolation prize under the category of Tales of Historical Forts. And it goes to Chittorgarh Part 2, that is Lily House. Lily House, Chittorgarh Part 2. Congratulations, dear participants, teachers in charge, house wardens. Better luck next time. Thank you for your wonderful performances. Moving on to the third prize. Third prize goes to, any guesses, children? Let's call out the houses then. We are experts at calling each other's houses' names here. Third prize goes to Lotus House for Mandu. RTS, congratulations, Lotus House, for the mesmeric performance. This was third prize, children. Second prize. Now let me have your guesses very clearly. Second prize goes to? Somehow I've gone deaf, cannot hear anything. It's Daffodil House, Chittorgarh Part 1. And may we have Jasmine House here, please. Murud Janjira. Murud Janjira, Jasmine House goes number 1 today. Many congratulations. Can we have the participants? Yes, we have them here. House warden, associate warden. Many congratulations. Jasmine House, you are really blooming today. Jasmine House, congratulations. Can you make place for the next round of categories, please? All right. Yes, dear children. We are still left with one more category here. Jasmine House refuses to back down. There's one more category remaining. Please do not forget that. The next category. Yes, dear children. May I please bring a halt to your celebrations for a while? It's Bharat Ek Anokha Rag. That is the school orchestra. The inter-house orchestra competition. We've heard some wonderful, mesmeric, melodious songs here. Played wonderful instruments, played by our very talented musicians, budding musicians of the school. And I begin with the consolation prize. And it is backed by, now, children, hear me out please. consolation prize for orchestra Bharat Ek Anokha Rag goes to. I will have to call back Jasmine House. It's Jasmine House, consolation prize. Congratulations. Third prize goes to the Punjabi Munde, Lily House. Congratulations, Lily House. We come up with second prize here. The ones who have illuminated the stage with Illuminati, South India, Daffodil House, and numero uno is under the category of orchestra, Lotus House. Lotus House with their Maratha orchestra. Lotus House participants, house wardens, associate wardens, teacher in charge, please come up. Congratulations, Lotus House. Very powerful performance there. Heartiest congratulations, Lotus House. I request you to kindly, the participants, kindly take your seats. So it's Jai Maharashtra all the way, Lotus House. Congratulations. All right, Lotus House, congratulations once again. Children, those who are standing on the chairs, get down, please. Please get down. Take your seats. We have enough chairs. All the enthusiastic participants gathered here, kindly take your seats. Students, it is not yet over. We are still remaining with the overall trophy for the seniors and the overall trophy for junior plus senior. Kindly take your seats, everyone. I would request our esteemed judges, respected TL Raja sir and respected principal ma'am, to kindly come up to give away the overall trophy for the seniors as well as the overall trophy for the house.
All my dear students, hearty congratulations to all the teachers and the students for wonderful, spectacular, outstanding, exemplary performance. Now all my dear children, please be seated. Now house championship overall will be announced. So have patience, be seated, be composed and settle down fast so that we can have this last segment of today's program. Thank you so much for being patient. Thank you.
I request our esteemed judges for today's program, respected Principal Ma'am and TL Raja Sir, to kindly come up to give away the trophies. Dear students, a bit more patience, please. Moving on to the category of overall championship under the senior group. I begin with the consolation prize. Under the senior group category, we have witnessed amazing performances throughout the day. So first of all, let us make it very clear whether you win or you lose. As we had seen just a while back, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है. So please do not lose heart, everyone. All of you are winners today. Consolation prize goes to senior category. Consolation prize, Lily House. Please let us put our hands together for them. All your hard work, all your tireless efforts, congratulations Lily House. We wish you better luck next time. Third prize goes to senior overall third prize, and I request the warden, associate warden and the teachers in charge to kindly collect the trophy and step up on the stage. Jasmine House, may I request the warden, associate warden and the teachers in charge to step up on the stage and collect your trophy. Please, third prize, Jasmine House. Many, many congratulations. Jasmine House. We can see the stage being painted green here. Go green, everyone. Three cheers for Jasmine House. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Congratulations once again. Second prize, overall championship under senior category. Second prize. All right. No, it's not. It's Daffodil House. Second prize goes to Daffodil House. The yellow, wonderful fellows, please step up on the stage. Daffodil House, warden, associate warden and the teachers in charge, kindly step up on the stage and collect your trophies, please. Heartiest congratulations. We wish you luck next time. Dear students, kindly do not jump from the stage. Daffodil House participants. 3 cheers for Daffodil House. Can we hear it for them? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Yes, Daffodil House. May you win the Hari Bazi next cultural week. And Needless to call, needless to declare, Lotus House, the winner under the senior category. And there's going to be a flood of blue.
उड़ ले सारा तू सीने विच नचदी आरज़ू रुक न जरा न तू राहें तुझसे है रूबरू थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां
Lotus House, we want to hear. Yes, children, can we hear it for the winners? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
आग जल रहा सांस में आंधिया लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा ये समानों में शोर है तेरे हाथों में जोर है इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा
All right. Lotus House, heartiest congratulations for the nth time. Kindly descend from the stage. We have a sea of blue descending upon us, and before they take us over, we have one more category of awards left. Children, please settle down. Hear this out, please. The overall championship, senior as well as junior. The cumulative championship. There's one more, children. Another big trophy on the way. Please wait with patience for a while. I'm doing this very quickly. Consolation prize under the cumulative category goes to, yet again, it's Lily House. Please give them a round of applause. Lily House, cumulative category, consolation prize, Lily House. Lily House, congratulations. Both the wardens, both the associate wardens and all the teachers in charge. Third prize, cumulative championship. Third prize, hold on, Lotus House. Hold on, it's somebody else's turn now. Third prize, cumulative championship, Lotus House. Third prize. Second prize, Daffodil House, second prize. Third prize, Lotus House, go up again. Collect your third prize trophy, please. Both the wardens. Third prize, both the wardens. Lotus House, third prize. I request both the wardens, senior as well as junior, Lotus House, come up please. Associate wardens and both the wardens, teachers in charge, come up please. This is your cumulative third prize trophy. The sea of blue waiting. Beta, you've written. Congratulations, Lotus House. Well done. Second prize overall, Daffodil House. I request both the house wardens, both the associate wardens, come up on the stage along with teachers in charge. Quickly. Overall championship, second prize, Daffodil House. I request both the wardens, both the associate wardens and teachers in charge. Come up, please. Both the wardens, senior as well as junior, come up, please. I cannot see the junior house warden. Junior teachers in charge, come up, please. Heartiest congratulations, dear Daffodil House. Very well done. And, oh my God, I was cheering for them yesterday and I'm cheering for them now. Jasmine House! Go Green, number 1. Overall championship, number 1, Jasmine House.
उड़ ले सारा सा तू सीने विच नचदी आरज़ू रुक ना जरा ना तू राहें तुझसे है रूबरू थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां बन के तू आग जल रहा सांस में आधिया लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा ये ज़मानों में शोर है तेरे हाथों में जोर है इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा हो तू है चैंपियन
Many congratulations. May I request Jasmine House to please come down. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners. Irrespective of any house, you've done your best, children. Heartiest congratulations to each one of you. Jasmine House, congratulations. Can we have you downstage, please? I now request Jasmine House, hold on please. I now request all the anchors for all the 3 days to come up on the stage. All the anchors for all the 3 days, please come up on the stage. Hey, Baba, down. We would not have had this program as a grand success without these wonderful anchors who have anchored the program so well. May we have a thunderous round of applause for them. You've done a splendid job, dear students, and we are so proud of you. Teachers in charge for anchoring are requested to kindly step up on the stage all the 3 days. Teachers in charge for anchoring, Hindi and English both. The anchoring team. All the cultural in charge, student council members, cultural in charge, working tirelessly behind the scenes, the NCC cadets, cultural in charge, student council members, kindly come up on the stage. You've been a pillar of support for all of us.
Class, he launched the Tata Nano.
Sheena, ma'am.
बादलों के बीच कोई रास्ता खुल गया रोने से कभी
Thank you, everyone.
तू नहीं गुनगुना जो तेरा गीत है जिंदगी की यही रीत है हार के बाद ही जीत है जिंदगी की यही रीत है हार के बाद ही जीत है थोड़े आंसू
Dear children, I would like to put in a word of appreciation, a deep appreciation for the brilliant Kathak performances and the tribute to Ratan Tata showstopper. Please give them a huge, huge round of applause. I request Ms. Niharika Anwane to propose the formal vote of thanks.
थोड़े आंसू है थोड़ी हंसी आज हम हैं तो कल है खुशी जिंदगी की
Yes, ma'am. Everyone, please settle down quickly. Esteemed guests, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear fellow students, on behalf of the entire Bhavans Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir Ashti, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for making this cultural extravaganza such a resounding success. At the outset, we extend our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guest, Srimati Anjali Purohit ma'am, for gracing this occasion with her presence. Ma'am, your presence has been invaluable to our participants. Thank you, ma'am. A heartfelt gratitude to T.L. Raja sir for your benign presence. Thank you, sir. A special word of appreciation to our distinguished panel of judges, Mr. Sanjay Painsil sir, director and renowned theatre actor and artist. Your presence really means a lot to us. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Srimati Priyanka Abhyankar ma'am, Kathak exponent, for her expert guidance and her valuable time to judge today's event. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I thank our music expert, Dr. Sucheta Kulkarni ma'am, for honoring us with your presence and constructive feedback today. Thank you, ma'am. We are deeply indebted to our respected principal, Srimati Vandana Bisen ma'am, for her unwavering support and constant encouragement. Her vision and leadership have made this event possible. Thank you, ma'am. A big round of applause to all the teachers who have tirelessly worked behind the scenes to make this event a reality. Your dedication and hard work are truly commendable. A special note of thanks to our backstage volunteers and the unseen technical team. I would also like to extend my thanks to our hardworking and dedicated students who participated with such enthusiasm, energy, and creativity. Your performances were not only entertaining, but also very inspiring. Last but not the least, a heartfelt thank you to all the parents for their continuous support and encouragement to their children. We hope that this event has been a memorable experience for everyone. Thank you once again for your gracious presence and making this Cultural Week celebration a grand success. A big thank you to all the people who contributed towards this cultural extravaganza. Now, we only request for your valuable feedback. Please scan the QR code that is at the entrance to provide us with your valuable feedback. Thank you, everyone.
Yes. Hearty congratulations to everyone. For me, all are very, very important. The smallest photon of the program. the smallest electron of the program. The smallest, what? Proton, electron, and neutron for me, neutron. I'm the neutron. So hearty congratulations to one and all. A huge round of applause for everyone, the minute, smallest atom and the various particles. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Now we close with national anthem. Yes.
I now request the gathering to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की